Hello dear students, welcome to my English class. I am MD Alam Ghazi, Assistant Teacher, Khona KB Secondary School, Dakop, Khulna. I hope you are fine and safe. I am also well. Today we are going to discuss a very important grammatical topic, tag question. Dear students, at first we have to know what is tag question. A tag question is a question in which a statement is turned into a question. We use tag question for confirmation. For examples, Shuman is a good boy, isn't he? He plays football, doesn't he? Here, isn't he is a tag question and it expresses confirmation. Similarly, doesn't he is a tag question. Dear students, it will be clear to us when we will know the general rules for forming tag question. General rules for forming tag question. The statement will remain unchanged. Then we use comma after the statement. After that we use auxiliary verb. If the statement is positive, tag question is negative. If the statement is negative, tag question is positive. At last we use the pronoun form of subject, and after that we use a question mark. In tag question, auxiliary verb is very significant. Do you know how many kinds of auxiliary verb? Mainly there are two kinds of auxiliary verb. They are primary auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verb are three kinds. They are be verb, am, is, are, was, were. Have verb, have, has, had. Do verb, do, does, did. For examples, he is reading a book. Here, is an auxiliary verb. They are playing football. Here, are is an auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verbs are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, used to, ought to. For examples, he can finish the work. Here, can is a modal auxiliary verb. You must follow the rules. Here, must is a modal auxiliary verb. In tag questions, we always use the contracted form of auxiliary verbs. Dear students, now I am showing the contracted form of auxiliary verbs. Here, am not, ain't or aren't, are not, aren't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, etc. Here we use apostrophe between and t instead of o. Here, am not is equal to ain't or aren't, shall not equal to shan't, will not equal to won't, cannot equal to can't. These four contractions are exceptional from among these contractions. Now I am giving some rules of tag questions. Rule 1. If everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, none, anyone, all is used as subject, then they would be used as pronoun. For example, everybody likes him. Dear students, do you see any auxiliary verb in this sentence? There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. There is a principal verb, likes. Here everybody is used as subject, so we will use they as pronoun. It is present indefinite tense, so we will use don't. Though the verb is likes, we cannot use doesn't because they takes don't or didn't. That is why tag question will be don't they. Dear learners, you may be confused where we will use don't, didn't or doesn't. It depends on tense and pronoun. If the sentence is past indefinite tense, then we will use didn't. If the sentence is present indefinite tense and pronoun is third person singular, we use doesn't. In case of other pronoun, we will use don't. Rule 2. If everything, anything, something, nothing is used as a subject, then it would be used as pronoun. For example, everything looks beautiful. Here, everything is used as subject, so we will use it as pronoun. It is present indefinite tense, so tag question will be doesn't it. Rule 3. Some words such as seldom, hardly, rarely, scarcely, nothing, none, no one, few, little, never expresses negative meaning. If these words contained in a sentence, then tag question will be positive. For example, she hardly spoke. Here hardly is a negative word, so tag question will be did she. Rule 4. If the sentence is imperative, tag question will be will you. For example, close the window. It is an imperative sentence, so tag question will be will you. Here we see an exception. If the imperative sentence starts with let's us or let's, tag question will be shall we. For example, let's play football. Here this sentence starts with let's, so tag question will be shall we. Rule 5. If the subject of the sentence is here, there, it, we will use the same pronoun in tag question. For examples, there was a shop in the field, so tag question will be wasn't there. Here is your pen, so tag question will be isn't here. It was a nice day, so tag question will be wasn't it. Rule 6. If the sentence is a complex sentence, we will get two clauses, principal clause and subordinate clause. For forming tag question, we have to follow the principal clause. There is a method of recognizing principal clause in a complex sentence. If there is a comma between two clauses, then the last one is principal clause. If there is no comma between two clauses, the first one is principal clauses. For example, if it rains, I will not come. Here, I will not come is a principal clause, so tag question will be will I. He waits here, though I have told him to go. Here, he waits here, there is a principal clause, so tag question will be doesn't he. Rule 7. If the sentence starts with all of you, some of them, none of you, etc., we will use the subjective form of the pronoun in tag such as all of us, we, some of you, you, none of them, they. For examples, all of us went to a historical place, so tag question will be didn't we. Some of you enjoyed the drama, tag question will be didn't you. None of them can do it, so tag question will be can they. Rule 8. The short form D may indicate the verb would or had. If the principal verb after it is in base form, it indicates would, but the form of principal verb after it is in past participle form, it indicates had. For examples, I'd go there. Here, in this statement, after the short form D, we see the base form of the verb. So tag question will be wouldn't I. In the second statement, I'd gone there. Here after the short form we see the past participle form of the verb. So tag question will be hadn't I. The short form S may indicate the verb is or has. If the principal verb after it is in base form plus ing, it indicates is, but the forms of principal verb after it is in past participle form, it indicates has. For example, he is writing a letter. Here after the short form we see verb plus ing, so tag question will be isn't he. In the second statement, he is written a letter. Here after the short form we see the past participle form of the verb, so tag question will be hasn't he. Dear students, you have to remember that let's equal to let us. Dear students, look at the pictures. Let's plant trees. This statement starts with let's, so tag question will be shall we. Everybody likes flower. Tag question will be don't they. It is a nice scenery, so tag question will be isn't it. Flowers are the symbol of beauty and purity, so tag question will be aren't they. Fishes can swim, so tag question will be can't they. We decorated the school campus colorfully, so tag question will be didn't we. Dear students, now I am giving an exercise to you. Make tag question of the following statements. Pause the video for some time and try to make tag questions of the following statements. Now I am showing the answer. We enjoyed the game most, so tag question will be didn't we. Everybody hates him, don't they. Nobody believes a liar, do they. He can hardly succeed in life, can he. He leads a miserable life, doesn't he. Let's speak the truth, shall we. Once there was a king, wasn't there. Swimming is good for health, isn't it. Open the window, will you. Many of them knew the fact, didn't they. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. All the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye.